Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on repairing the motor of your Conga 4090 vacuum cleaner. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the tools required to the cleaning process. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing electrical connections, and a soft cloth for cleaning. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get assistance. Begin by removing the screws on the back panel of the Conga 4090. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one and set them aside where they won't get lost. Keep in mind that there are usually 4 screws holding the panel in place. Once the screws are out, gently pry off the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the plastic casing. This will expose the motor compartment. Now, let's examine the motor. Before proceeding, make sure the vacuum is unplugged. Use your multimeter to check for any electrical issues by testing the motor terminals. If you find that the motor is faulty, you may need to replace it. If you're unsure, we provide a quote before repair to ensure transparency in your costs. Next, let's clean the motor. Dust and debris can accumulate in this area, affecting performance. Use the soft cloth to wipe down the motor and surrounding areas. Make sure to remove any buildup, as this can lead to overheating and failure. After cleaning, inspect the motor brushes. These are small components that can wear out over time. If they appear damaged or worn down, consider replacing them. This is a simple task that can significantly improve your vacuum's functionality. If you need help with this process, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can make the best decision for your vacuum. Once everything is clean and inspected, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully align the back panel and press it into place. Replace the screws, ensuring everything is secure. This step is crucial to maintain the integrity of the device. Finally, plug in your Conga 4090 and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds. If the motor runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your vacuum. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel, just let us handle it. By following these steps, you've not only repaired your vacuum but also extended its lifespan. Regular maintenance and cleaning can prevent future issues. We hope this guide was helpful in reviving your Conga 4090. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.